This is the Bosch GOP 18-volt EC Professional Multi-Cutter. It's a tool that allows you to solve virtually any cutting, sanding or scraping problem, particularly in those awkward to access situations. The tool consists of a motor unit onto which you can fit a wide variety of different blades that allow you to cut hard and softwood, plastics, laminates, sheets, wall and floor tiles, carpets and cushion floor, non-ferrous metals, insulation materials, and it will sand and scrape as well. At the heart of the GOP 18-volt is an EC brushless motor. This has several major advantages. For a start, it's more compact, with a higher power to weight ratio. It's far more efficient, as there is no friction loss from any brushes, giving a longer run time. And the advanced electronic controls monitor and manage the tool performance and the power consumption. What all this means in reality is you get twice the motor life with no maintenance. And when you couple this to a 4 amp hour cool pack battery, the tool will run for 30% longer on a single charge, and also the battery will allow up to 2 times the number of recharges, and the power output matches that of a corded tool, but obviously with much greater flexibility. The blades on these multi-tools don't spin, they oscillate from side to side. This makes them very safe to use, and there's little chance of any kickback. The big advantage of the GOP 18-volt is the toolless blade change. The SDS quick locking system is the fastest on the market. To change, you just open the latch, and this requires considerably less force than competing models. Fit the accessory, and you can see how it's partially secured and it doesn't fall off. And then just close the latch to finally secure. The side latch eliminates the risk of trapping your thumb that you get with some other multi-tools. The motor unit is housed in a very robust body shell, making it very comfortable to hold and use, with a small grip circumference. It weighs 1.95 kilograms with a battery, so it's light enough to access even the most awkward work areas. The switch is easily accessible, and the variable speed control gives you a range from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. And this oscillation is only 1.4 degrees either side of the central position, but this is enough to provide fast and efficient cutting. The blades use the universal 12-point OIS system, making Bosch accessories compatible with all common professional multi-tools. This 12-point mounting system means that the accessories can be positioned every 30 degrees within a 240 degree range, making it even easier to get into any work position. And the depressed center of the tooling allows you to work with it flush on the surface. All versions of the GOP 18-volt come supplied with an ideal starter pack of blades for the most important and popular applications. So the ACZ85EB segment blade is perfect for cutting door frames and architraves to length. The AIZ32BB works really well for plunge cutting in hardwood or laminate panels, for cutting recesses in furniture for sockets, and for flush cutting wooden components, for example tenons or dowels. The AIZ32EC is finer tooth and covers similar applications, but it's more suited for cuts in softwood. You can use the ATZ52SC scraper for removing mortar, tile adhesive and concrete residues, and also for scraping back glue joints. The sanding pad allows for quick smoothing and removal of stain or paint on wood. The delta-shaped head allows you to get into hard to access areas, and because the head oscillates rather than orbits, it can be used right up into a corner without the tool bumping. You can also use it for cleaning up rusty metal surfaces. As well as these standard accessories, there's a huge range of alternative tooling that increases the versatility of the tool still further, and these are available either singly or in dedicated sets. Here are just a few of the many optional blades. So that's the GOP 18 volt EC, a truly versatile tool which you can team with any one of a huge range of accessories to cover virtually any cutting application. If you register the tool online, you can extend the warranty to a full 3 years, and on the battery to 2 years. And while you're at it, why not join the Bosch GOP community to get even more feedback, help and advice from online professional users. The Bosch GOP 18 volt EC.